Hi there, Robert Moody with MarineMax right here in Dallas. I want to show you this new 2026 Saxdor 320 powered by twin Mercury 300 horsepower outboards with joystick on it, skyhook, all the cool features that Mercury has to offer with joystick control boats. Back here, we got two terraces that fold down. So a lot of room to hang out on the back of the boat. They also did a great job, very versatile cockpit seating. So first thing is I got great seating for, I'd say 6 to 8 people face to face. Y'all want to sit back here in the back of the boat and it's time to eat. Very convertible seating too. So real easy, we can drop this table down by hitting a button. This sun lounge here can lay totally flat and connect with that. So you have a full sunbed on the back of the boat. These are also headrests. If somebody wanted to lift up the headrest, when this is flat and face forward you can, or you can face backwards. This second row of seating is also convertible. So if you want to ride facing forward when you're running, all you do is flip the backrest. And now instead of facing aft, you're facing forward. And this whole seat can slide back too. So again, really convertible, depending upon how you want to use the boat. They also got a little cockpit gourmet kitchen outside. We got a Kenyon grill, we got a sink. I got 2 refrigerators, one's on each side of the console, which is really cool, convenient way to put refrigeration, easy to get to. A couple storage drawers there. A nice hard top. And also you see we ordered it with the zip-in camper canvas, so you got the isinglass for the winter time, whether it's the rainy season or a little bit cold, to keep the cold air off of you. Easy to drop that down. And a really nice helm with 3 seats. You're going to drive the boat center. Again, I said it's Mercury JPO joystick outboards. So you got the joystick, you got skyhook, you got auto heading. One thing Saxdor does is an option too. You get an optional bow thruster. So if you just want to scoot the bow over left or right, you just use the bow thruster controller. Really easy. Great dash, 2 Simrad screens. So you can put up whatever information you want front and center, whether it's the Mercury control systems, a map, radar, fish finder, whatever you want on there. It's all at your fingertips. A really great layout. Something else easy too is the Zipwake. So it has auto trim tabs on it, so you can hit auto. So you don't have to worry about keeping the boat level. This will take care of the tabs in the back of the boat. So every year they make boats a little bit easier for owner-operators. You don't have to be an expert, know how to work all this stuff. Now it's kind of automated. So you just put it in gear and go. The boat will do everything it needs to do for a comfortable ride for you and all your guests. So this boat is kind of like a center console with a little mini cabin on it. So we can walk up from either side up to the bow. A little step here. You got a nice bow sun lounge up in the front. Very nice. You do have a windlass. It's nice and hidden down there. A really cool way they deploy the anchor coming down, so it's very clean and slimline when you're not using it. This is a deep V twin-stepped hull, so it's a really performance boat. It runs great. It's fun to drive. But if somebody wants to ride up here in the front, they can do that. Something I want to show you while we're up here is if you are downstairs in the cabin, there is 2 big oversized hatches on top of the bed. So if you want more natural light down there, it's easy to pop off those pads and you got more light, or open up hatches to get airflow down the cabin. There is air conditioner down there, but I like the additional light. A lot of times when you go downstairs, it's kind of dark. A lot of good natural light down in the cabin. Let's go take a look at that. I like the translucent sliding door. Again, more natural light if somebody's down in the cabin, or if you're down in there, you can still see each other back and forth. So it is a 32 foot. They do have this set up as a full bed right now, which is nice. Again, natural light coming from the 2 opening hatches. They do have sunshades, so you can close it off down here. A little seat over there. It does have some storage over here. It's got a vacuum flush toilet on it. This is actually the door, so for privacy you can close in the toilet. To make it more open, you can leave it open. So a really nice air-conditioned cabin on a 32-foot Saxdor boat. If you got any questions about this boat, please give us a call or come see us at MarineMax.com.